Alright guys, welcome to MIXUP Boss Midday Show. Alright, if you want to watch from UK, Canada, England, all over. I say UK already still, America, Jamaica. Alright, welcome to the Boss Show. Alright, so the show now, it is about persons who want a serious relationship. Okay? Yeah, this is for persons who want a serious relationship, and they also can share why they're in this situation and why they want to start dating. So I'm going to have on the phone here a nice lady from the UK. She's 42. She only interested in person from, call it say 36 to 46. All right? So she only want UK base, no more long distance. So she's going to explain why and let me know what you think. Like the video, guys, and later we have a story for show you we don't know about a bishop that are going to be interested in it. Don't miss it. Make a listen. Hey, what's up?
To my picture.
Well, go on. Yo, put the thing on video. Let me see you look.
You see my picture?
Me see your picture, but more and see you on video.
Alright, hold on, because as me see me lie down. Let me turn on the light.
Turn on the light, man.
Oh Lord. Alright. Alright, you see me?
Yeah. Alright, guys, see you here. Beautiful. JJ over here. Nice, beautiful browning.
Me not have a no filter.
No filter on face, see there? Okay.
Let me turn down the light, yeah.
You like good, man. You see you good. So 30, 42.
42.
Are you naturally hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Already rated, eh?
No false here.
Oh, how are you mixed with?
Coolie.
Cool, and you don't look cool in your face. You don't have the Indian look. You look more like a black person.
Exactly.
Okay. So, alright, so cool there look like you're 35. Somebody say you look like you're 35.
Is it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Only a man coming in your DM from yesterday?
Yeah, but all of them can't make one.
You mean all of them can make one? What do you mean?
Because of how them present themselves, they have spliff in a hand and liquor in a cup and bleach out and...
Spliff in her hand. So where spliff in her hand for?
So I'm not interested in, like, I don't want anybody who smoke and drink. Honest.
No, but this is it with enough Jamaican man. We have it called a spade. Them a look one woman. See? Them pants there, them body, them bleach out, and them have spliff in her hand. What is spliff in her hand for?
Exactly.
The man them not have no style. The man them not have no game.
They not present themselves right. You
know?
I'm
going to say this now. I see a pattern what go on in Jamaica. I do want to address it for a long time still. I notice that everybody want to look brown.
Yeah,
everybody.
But why?
Well, I know. When you hear man them a DJ about you're pretty and you're Barbie and you're this, everybody a bleach out, have a lace wig, put in braces and them tone down. You don't know who black fam, and everybody look. I look at me and say, look how me black. I love my blackness. Me look. Yes, when I go to Canada, when I go to Canada, me have white girl look me. I go in a store, girl that say, can I have your number? Because they hear my accent. And I say, look how me black. And in Jamaica, no woman now go look for me, so because them say, oh, him too black and me no bleach, and me glad say that. Them are my cup of tea, because me good. Everybody want bleach out, everybody want look good. Yo, them need to stop it. Because no matter how you bleach your skin.
It's an insecurity thing as well.
No, but them it's a pattern where them a practice if you don't look certain way, you're not hot, or you're not a Barbie, or you're not this. Listen, we need to embrace our blackness where we have. You know, much time I go hotel and see tourists sit down in the sun and burn up their skin and
exactly.
Then people only know that people want to look like we. You get what I say? Then just want a little look. I don't like it. I see it on the media and it is not good for the generation and the younger generation adapt to it. I don't like it.
It's true.
Nobody now come out and embrace them blackness. Everybody are toned down and everybody. I don't like it.
True, man.
Me not like me say me vex and me I say you see them people and know their roots and culture, bro. Embrace your blackness.
Embrace who they are, you know? Everybody
It's
is beautiful, no matter what
everybody
shade you
beautiful.
be.
You get what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Man, I go bleach out now when I approach somebody like you know with spliff in a hand, bleach out skin and red. Love your blackness, bro. Me black and me I win. I'm black and me
Exactly.
winning.
Exactly.
Me black and me I win and me color now deprive me of no privilege when me no forget.
That is it. That is it.
You see me? So people
Mm-hmm.
for we acknowledge I think a Jamaican. I think we have this problem in a Jamaica cause we go America, I don't see nobody bleach out their skin like certain way. A man just look black and look black. I don't say people not do it, and don't get me wrong, but
Then do it, yes, but it's not so
Jamaica take
prevalent
it to a
over there.
different level.
Yeah.
Everybody, yo, ancestors them supposed to start rolling at them grave and say, yo, and well them people and understand, no matter how you bleach your skin, once a day in a one white country, them are going to look upon you as a black person. Like me and you not have a different
Exactly.
privilege. You're black said
Exactly.
way. When you're black, you're black.
Exactly.
So,
Mm-hmm.
enough of them need to travel and understand and learn how them to accept themselves. Cause nobody now look, you could have bleach and thin out your skin. You're still black.
Exactly.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So,
True,
I
man.
say, I have a platform and them something them I address. All who I put up on a flash here and about Barbie and bleach out and they sit my stomach. I don't like them. I don't care if none of them
Me
want to.
natural, me natural in everywhere. Me not even wear nails.
You know. No, listen, not wrong if a woman can
Can't,
do
not
lady
no wrong
when
with
she
it, you
want
know.
to know.
Yeah, me not no woman where wear weave or
Not wrong.
false eyelashes or anything where make them feel good about themselves.
Mm-hmm.
I don't not anybody at all. I feel them choice. Just me personally, me believe in a natural thing. That's all.
Me and you come from, he said, era, me are 44, you are 42, so we are 80s babies, so we're growing
Mm-hmm.
up different time from them. Now,
Mm-hmm.
everybody a DJ who fi do this and who fi do that, and the culture messed up. You have to strong to grow your youth them certain way now in Jamaica, because when you look, young youth them, a be a rum and boom, you know
Mm-hmm.
me? And it pants, the bat, me don't know when since man pants reach under them
Oh
blood
my
clot, batty.
God.
Y'all see them
I
batty.
tell
You know how
you.
much time me in a line, I do some business and I look, you see a man in front of you with him, he batty crack. That's how what kind and you can't say nothing to them because them are this and want to fight and say batty boy.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
Me don't know how I
Exactly.
can. Alright, and this is it now. Look on it the way. The man them are batty man nah dress so.
Achoo.
Me
Achoo.
never saw a batty man with pants there in batty with batty crack. Although you
Come
don't
to
know who
think
straight
of it.
from. Them
Achoo.
always just decent and talk. And when they talk, you can't know. But
Yeah.
we get to you, them we say them a gangster, the wall of them pants there, them batty and them batty cracker show.
Mm-hmm.
So me don't know which one of them are the batty man now. So me don't
And
know.
even when you explain to them where the whole thing come from, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they still a do it. They don't care.
They don't want to hear that. If you ask none of them young people if you name me 5 heroes them or name some of the heroes them of Jamaica, them never have a clue where to start from.
Them not know,
They
but
don't
they
know
will
nothing
know who
about
are the
culture.
most popular. They will know who are the most popular influencer on TikTok and
Right.
there.
Same say come on. So it messed up man. So that's why you say me I ask me I say if you really hear that or you look so and so, you
I
know.
understand.
So I feel no way when I hear me ask that.
That's that. Me not feel no way.
Sure, okay. Anyway, let's get back to business. So guys, me have a nice lady. I look on her. It's a catch, you know. Our kids them grown. Yet she not a problem if you can go out and enjoy and explore. See her there? Who now wait pan? Who are coming in the box for her?
You know, so first me do this.
And that's why I thought you go bingo. Cause first you do it.
First me go up in a box already only because a person was begging me to come up and me say no, you're too young, blah blah blah. But this is the first time I actually come up to say I'm interested in finding somebody. So
The man say age is just a number.
no, it's not just a number. I hate when people say that, you see.
Me tell them all the while, but them always run me down.
I hate it. No
Age is
matter
just
what
a
you want to
number.
do, you will mature for your age.
Mhm.
You will be mature for your age. But a person who 30 is not gonna have the same mindset as a 60-year-old.
Facts. Somebody asks where are you from? So, so me read the comments. Hi, where are you?
I'm located in London, Southeast London.
Southeast London. I remember she don't want nobody from Jamaica. What your experience with a Jamaican or long distance? Because I did hear you talk it yesterday, so you did kind of.
Long story, long story. But my ex-husband,
Mm-hmm.
but for cut it short, my ex-husband is in Jamaica, and I actually went through the process of
Mm-hmm.
paying for the visa,
Mm-hmm.
and it get refused, and I had to go to a lawyer, had to get an accountant because sometimes I work independently as a nurse, so I
Mm-hmm.
have to get the accountant, all kind of something. Anyway, little less than £10,000 me spend,
Mm-hmm.
right? And it never worked out. Like, he was a narcissist, and it's a lot, man. It's a lot me got through with that man. Everything was me. Everything was me. Every time I come to Jamaica, me I pay my own fare. Me I pay for if we go out. Me I pay for car rental. Me I pay. Everything is me. You
Boy.
understand? And he was very possessive. Like, we couldn't stay out if me the on the road without him. If me like go in a supermarket, him want come anywhere where me I go, he want come with me. When me there in England and me dey on the phone with him, me have to depend if me there work, me have to depend the phone with him. When me leave work, stay on the phone, reach home, be with him on the phone. All if we I watch TV and it's silence in just one and it's video call too. It's not just on the phone or video call. Yeah. So it made me lose a lot of confidence in myself for a while, because when a person make you feel like say you're stuck with them, right? And it's a lot of things. But anyway, me here say something been go on with him and my cousin little girl.
What?
And me say that is it.
When I say
when
you
me
say
pull him
him
up
a go on
about
with
it,
something, as in what? Him and her there?
well, it's a young girl as well. Me not say them there, and me not say they not there. But there's a lot of suspicious things going on. And when me pull him up about it, he was offended. But me tell him, say, look, just stay away from this girl, because my cousin don't like the idea that she hang around you and all of these things. This was in burial time. And he decide, say, he not listen a word with me I say. I'll go on pan road with her and all kind of something. So when me address him again, he left. Left completely. Gone back to town. Say him no one in this relationship again. Visa take too long and this and that and whatever. And me I go down 3-4 times a year for see him,
From England?
From England.
Take
And
a
me say,
plane. How old was this ex-husband or husband or whatever call him?
Well, he's about 32 now. So he's young.
Oh, jeez. See the
He's
mistake?
young, you understand?
Yeah.
Never again. I'm the first younger person in that the age group me ever talk to. So so yeah, we divorced and that is that. But I had other long distance relationships out there. And would I say, when you meet the right person at the wrong time, kind of that situation, it was more like my love languages is quality time and physical touch. So if me not decide of you, when me there work and me have a stressful day, me want to come up and see me man. You understand? When me want to go on date, me want to be spontaneous. Me want to see me man anytime I feel like it. And just like an hour's distance away is fine. Or maybe even 2 hours. But forget a plane, it's heartache and heartbreak that for me.
Oh, so this is why you stay away from long distance relationship.
Yeah, in Nago,
Work
been
out in
there, done
Ireland.
that. Work for me. It work for some still, but no work for me.
Okay.
And
so
you see when you're with a person in their own environment, you get to know them better as well. Because a person I've been there as well, where a person talk to you on phone every day. You go to Jamaica, everything's sweet. But you see, it's like they can farm full for a certain amount of time. They know say, yo, she not go there more than 4 weeks. You understand? So just all out and whatever. Then we have their girl or whatever on the side. They will all depend on the phone with you while saying girls sit down beside them.
wow.
Yeah.
So the girl know what go on.
Yeah, of course.
And you see
But she a
based on
go
how you
benefit out of it too, you know?
you see based on you talk 9 times out of 10 when you come down, you carry down our one little suitcase with them clothes them
Oh
and
my God.
clocks
I
and
mean, if you tell
everything.
you.
It get money for you sometime. Because my broke. And you have
Well,
to
of
send money
course.
to Western Union, JN money
Of
transfer,
course.
MoneyGram, all of them
Light
stuff.
cut off, rent can't pay because um rent can't pay because he never get no work this week or for 2 week or whatever. You have to send on the money for that. And then the person wouldn't even say, you know what, I go buy that something there for someone, you know, because we know say she
Mm-hmm.
like these things.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing no go so with him, with my ex. Yeah, everything is him.
Okay. So
And
him
me's a
never.
type of person like this. If you say if Missy say if I see a need for you, like for instance, you used to spend up a whole heap of money cook up food and something there work.
Mm-hmm.
And you say, you know what? You need a food warmer, you know, the electric one them we can heat up the
Mm-hmm.
food by itself.
Mm-hmm.
I buy that for him. I buy one nice like working knapsack, like a proper one them, proper industrial one them. And he never asks me, but me see it as a need. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Right.
So if me see you have a need, me I go meet it. But at the end of the day, it takes two. You
Mm-hmm.
understand? I know me one for do all of these things. You're supposed to care for me as well and make me feel like a woman.
So when you come Jamaica, you not carry going away like you not carry go up on the resort, pay for it, Airbnb.
No.
So why the act?
Anniversary, birthday, and me. Anytime he come down for anniversary and birthday, and me, I pay for the hotel.
Mm-mm. Damn.
Yeah, not even birthday presents.
And this is it now. Alright, this is it now. Look how you look. Cause you look good in your face and enough man would have go off for looks. And for no say, a man would have, enough man out there would have get you and poil you and say, yo, I'm a queen, this and all of that. But this man now just have you as a little puppet.
Exactly.
Basically. So there must be something will keep you going back to him. Like something go hold you out there, man. Something nice. Our the sex,
To tell
our.
you the truth, no. To tell you the truth, you see when we relationship break down, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
me kind of do a reflection on myself because would I say the last three relationship where me have including the marriage,
Mm-hmm.
it was like the same kind of theme, you know,
Mm-hmm.
like the same type of like off the bat when you get to know them or something,
Mm-hmm.
you feel like they're nice and everything, but then deeper in the relationship, then come with the same traits. So me have to look on myself and say, the common denominator in all of this is me. So what am I doing wrong in order to attract these type of guys? So when me looking through it now, me say, my God, you know what? You know when you feel like you can show a person love and change their mindset
Mm-hmm.
about what it takes for a person to love them.
Mm-hmm.
Like me feel like me can save them. Especially when they go through a whole heap of trauma and woman not treat them good and all of these things and you know, and then they show me the type of person who they are, you know, how they're loving and caring and then just want a good woman to settle down with and then as the first say month or two or whatever, everything nice. But
Mm-hmm.
then after a while now, you see the trauma start to get triggered. But by that time you're in too deep because you fall in love with the person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You feel like you're obligated in a sense to finish where you start, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And me feel like me is always the person who are gonna show somebody real love, true love. And then you feel like if you just get the time for show them, they
Mm-hmm.
might go understand and fall in love with you more.
Okay.
So me find out say, all right, anytime me I talk to a person, me need to really ask certain questions and study certain behavior because I not give myself fully because when me love hard, me give 110% from the get-go. If me feel for you, if me like you a lot, if me rate you, like we will do anything to help you and support you. And that is where me go wrong.
All right. In a sense, I agree with you about, I'm going to say this to you, I'm going to say this to you, a woman and you're there on the panel. I think you have to continue with the person who you is because there is this one person who will appreciate your traits and you and them will make life. The moment you
Yeah.
have to try prove to somebody or try make somebody see the said light where you are see, yeah, try channel them for go up on the said road where you there, and they say you have a problem. So that I don't want to mistake me say you make, but you know when you feel guilty about yourself, so you believe say you are the
Yeah,
fault
but
and
me
you
feel
use that
guilty
word.
about it. And everybody
No.
tell me the same thing, so me
You're
not
not
fi feel
supposed to,
guilty. But me
no, you're
feel
not
guilty
supposed to
over
feel
it.
guilty. You have to be who you is. Because the moment you try to change, you change for person and you're not going to be your true self. But if me I got in a one relationship with a lady now and me say me have to channel her to try get her up on my road and me have to, it's like you fight a losing battle.
Exhausting,
It not
yeah.
gonna work out
Emotionally
because
draining.
yeah, you're not compatible, so the match is not gonna be there. So it gonna stress you out. Cause once you're in a one relationship as a woman and you're the one giving more than the man, so there's a problem there. Man supposed to be leader and giver. Not saying that if you're in a one better job or position, you can't help your man. But he's supposed to show some interest. Babes, what I go on, say me I go buy you some rose. Go through the extreme and go on the
I never
phone.
experienced
Me
that yet.
know, so babes, when I want this, me I send her some money for the year or just some small things can show us
Yeah.
a person care. You know, if you match for her energy with what she give, cause maybe you know one better job, you know one better position. You understand? But a man supposed to lead from the front. So the moment you see yourself be the financial giver in the relationship, you know, say yes, it's a recipe for disaster. It not gonna work. Cause once you have
Yeah.
to try pay for all a man or not. Even man too, enough time some woman want a man and a man try use money to make she love him or give her the most. Then idea she does not love you. A man when have
Exactly.
nothing can get her car. That's the man where she want. Him have all the attributes where she a look for. He must say the right things them, he must do the right things them, and that's it. So that's how you go. But don't ever think say you are the fault. I mean, I think can a woman can make me feel like me are the fault. Me I be like who me is because I know what I stand for. So you have to
Yeah.
know where you stand for and if you see now work, you just left out of it. That is my
Yeah.
advice me can give. Cause
Yeah,
enough
man,
man
you're
out
right,
there.
man.
Yeah. So nobody look on it and I say, yo, you feel like you are the well, I add somebody else and come in the box. So I say for somebody who I match you up. Well on there. Let me make them talk. My audio, yeah? Yeah, man. Your young said we are 42. Yesterday when me said that here, you say people are say like people are saying you're not young. Me I say, who you talk to? What's up with that?
Well, I experience on another live, on my friend live,
Mm.
and hey, that was a passa in itself. I told the guy, right, I'm
Mm.
not interested. And that's another thing as well. I don't like rejecting people.
Mm-hmm.
Me not like make people feel bad like. So that's why me never really go up in a box before. If me see somebody come up, I me say,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, me kinda like how they look, me like how them attack and whatever, then me prepared for go up. Because I can take the rejection if a person say, boy, me not think I might
Mm-hmm.
match. But
Mm-hmm.
for people to come up now, for me nervous about that because I don't want to offend anybody. But anyway, this person in the chat see me, call me up, call me up, call me up. I'm saying, I'm liking confidence,
Mm-hmm.
whatever. I'm saying, me just I go up out of respect because he go up in the box and I wait for me to come up.
Mm-hmm.
So we go up and reason and me say, boy, you're young, cause in 30, I think 31 or 32.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, and in slim. Me not really like slim guys.
Stick a pin,
Really
sim.
slim.
Before you reach a further, where you attracted to? May I ask you something where we see
All
you.
right.
You attracted
All
to
right.
younger guys or older guys?
No, me want somebody who like, would I say 36, between 36 and 47. But
47.
young 47, you know, if you look like you're 46, you know, if you look
Alright, so
old.
what question? Why you lower it to 36?
Because, would I say, about 5 years down.
Mm-hmm.
5 years down, 5 years up.
You know, not a lot of guys who are 36, not really mentally mature.
Yeah, me know. But me I
I don't know,
try
I
to
think them
extend
way.
it.
Yes,
Me
yeah,
know,
you,
yeah, you're right.
I think you need to upgrade on your age gap where
Somebody
you
like in
can
their
start.
40s,
Yeah,
40s
so
up.
you can say start from 42 upwards. 'Cause I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
that's
yeah, yeah.
judging by
You're
your
right.
talk, I think most of your relationship failure might come from a previous relationship, might be like the guys them younger. You ever talk to, why oldest guy you ever date?
No. The youngest person me talked to was my husband.
And
Everybody
what?
else older than me.
Everybody is older than you. So the
Mm-hmm.
experience of the older one them, they show you no TLC.
You see, me never find romance really in a
Mm-hmm.
really, and I'm a very romantic person.
Oh,
So that is a non-negotiable for me with the next relationship. The person have to be romantic.
okay.
Yeah. But yeah, me not like short guys. Me no want up me 5'5".
Oh, you're 5'5". Oh, so you're
Yeah,
short already. You're short already.
exactly.
Okay.
Me no want nobody less than about 5'8",
Five.
5'9".
Mm-hmm.
Believe.
But six is that good.
6. Yeah, 6 with a good yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
6 with a good
Michi,
man.
hold on, my boss. Remember, you did over here
He did come
yesterday.
up
No? Yeah,
yesterday.
me now want add your back car. Make you one lady a number if you're over here. And I talk to one woman or I try something, she watch a show too, so she say you're a player. You hear me one love Jamaica?
I think he freeze.
You must freeze this with the speech. No, me no want him in my box because one lady asked for your number me give me this morning. So me no
I
want
made
them
it
still.
the yesterday. Me see him. Me
Yeah,
see
so
him
me no want
actually.
him come in now. But more hear what I say if I something him talk with you, then him come off. Me no want the
Yeah,
woman see him and say, then wait, then you get my number you over there and say Brownie and I up in a box. I say,
exactly.
yeah. So, listen man, when you get one woman, you just quiet and keep it, think on a level because you
Exactly.
stop on a blessing. You
True,
see me?
true.
So
True,
that's what I
true.
got. So you said the guy come up in a box and he must say,
Right. So
basically he
in
must say,
come
you
up
look
in our
old.
box. In come up in our box, in talk good, everything. Me say, all right, remember, me say, I'm not really interested because you're too young. I'm not really want the long distance thing, right? Everybody in the chat, all of my people, them give him a chance, and the same way they comment the person make. Age is not but a number, right? And I feel so bad because I don't want to shame me. I say, all right, follow me, and we can get to know each other. But I made it clear from the get-go that me not interested, right? All right. Yeah, man. He reach out to me straight after the live. Message me, and the conversation good. Then the next day, right? I think he went on the live and I wasn't there. But I was tired because I have a lot to do that day. They made have one interview and everything. So when I come back on the if you check my message him now, me message him, me see all the message him and me message him back and say, me sorry, me never get back to you, me drop asleep, blah blah blah. So now, when a person is indirectly asking you something, but them not come out with it. So I must say, see, me have to wait for you if you message me, if you come back online, if me did have your number, me could have call you, could have talk on the phone, me could have all pray for you before your interview and all of these things. So me say, all right, me there I wash 2 plates and I clean up on something. So when me finish, me will call you. He send me a number and me message him. No, me is a person, like you see, from everything when me learn, I just want to be clear from the get-go. So we both know where we stand. So the first message when me send to him now, me say, right now, romantically, I'm not really interested in you, as me did tell you before. But if you feel like come on the live and you see somebody you like, me not gonna feel no way. Shoot your shot, you understand? but we can still get to know each other. So his response now, oh my God, you could see the maturity in his response, because it was just scrolling. It's like a person I fight me with their words. I talk about how oh, sister, young, and you see a young man I try to reach out to you. That means say what you been do in the past never work for you, and you give people a chance to get to know them, and basically him insult me then. Yeah. And I say how me contrary, and why me give me number, but me never give him me number, him give me him number, me message him. And you're confused, and then guess what? If that never bad, and it make me feel bad as well, because me I said to myself, say, why me even like encourage him to say me I go call you? If me didn't know better, me wouldn't do it. Would I keep in at the DMs? Yeah, me and this guy come back on the live that night. Yeah? Come back on the live that night and say, oh, Macaulay, what's name? Oh, me want to come up, me want to address something. Remember, say, I know 2 days, a night and half a day. Me know this person.
You want to say you want to address something?
He want to address something.
Okay.
And he go up in the box, call me name, but everybody knows says me, because I mean it mature. Come up in the box and I talk about how me not understand about these women, how they lead on people, and why them a give out their number if they're not interested in the person, and blah 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 blah. See me Virginia, I go on sunshine. She did that. She can't tell you new era. So me say, boy, me have to go up and defend myself. You understand? I'm go up, and me talk my side of thing, and me explain everything. And most of who was in the live did upset, because they must say, why you coming at the live and I bash Simone, like say she do you something? I don't know, relationship in you was just getting to know each other. And then somebody else say, let me tell you something. You see, when you're interested in a woman and she opened the door in the form of communication, even if she tell us she's not interested, once she opened up that door, that is your chance to prove, say, you're the person where she need in her life. Even when she tell us she's not interested, you just keep that communication open, because you never know, things can change.
Oh,
understand? But after the whole thing, me say me feel bad. Oh God, I tell me feel it to my heart, because the way my behave is like him spoil my character.
Yeah, man, him put you down quick. And I say, you're age
exactly.
Exactly.
But after the whole thing, he messaged me private. Somebody said to him, you need to apologize to someone. And he said, yeah, I was gonna do that, blah blah blah. So he apologized, and then after the live, he reached out to me, and just say like he wishing could have take it back, and he sorry, and I know nothing with me do, and blah blah blah. So I'm afraid that then TikTok dating something.
Yeah, that's a red flag still.
Yeah.
We mean, so you know what to look out for. Let me accept it, brother. Let me hear what I say now.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, man. My company just called me because I don't feel so well. I have a little flu. Yeah, what's going on? All go on.
Oh, we're there, man. That's our reason with the impressor,
Okay, that nice, man. That nice.
How she look?
She look all right, man. She look nice. She good.
They never matched with somebody yesterday?
No, I never match with nobody. The person who said them message me, but them never message me. But I know
that's me give one lady a number this morning from England. She call her?
Yeah, but yes, I think we message each other, but she said me too short, so.
You say you too what?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. How tall are you, sir?
I'm 5 feet 9 inches. She said me too short. I should say it's okay.
That's not short.
What kind of people them, man?
Let me tell you something, and that's why sometimes I don't like to. I'm not a person to come out and you know what I mean.
I
But
wonder,
that's it.
well, no, stick a pin. I wonder if them a watch too much Pop the Balloon, the American version. It have to be that. Man, now watch here, watch that and I use, you know, wanna get in our head and say, all right, the man, them have to be certain. I went the reality. I went since Jamaican woman start watch height.
Okay.
Jamaican woman normally watch Pocket.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what me know them watch. So me don't know have that. I post near this started.
Yeah, it's all right though. That's how it goes sometimes. You know,
Yeah.
sometimes you know you have to just give and take. I'm a jovial person, so if you send me too short, I'm not gonna get mad or anything. You know, I just say okay.
Yeah, just move on and call it a day.
Yeah, because I don't want to becomes a target. You know, like I'm trying to manipulate or whatever.
So basically you're still single then?
Yeah, I'm still single. I'm gonna see you up, Miss Emmett.
You can't turn on the light, make your ladies and see your face better. You look
Oh,
dark.
No, where look
no,
like?
like-
Remember him from yesterday,
No,
man.
maybe some ladies come on. I want to see what you
lights,
look like.
you know. I don't know if you guys can
Okay,
see
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
I see me good.
So, yeah, man, we are see you now, man.
I should not feel so well, man. I kind of get the flu, you know. I was supposed to go to work today, but I have to put it off because.
You saw though, if you did there England, you have a chance of the Browning, but you're there Jamaica.
All right, listen, no problem, man. Listen, let me tell you, I'm not know yes. I love to take time, so I don't know yes. Take my little time, and then when the right time come, the right person will actually come along. You know.
So ladies, this guy is from Jamaica. He's 44, single, ready for mingle. So if you know anybody on here interested, just send me a request or whatever, make me know what go on. Working man having one little business or go on and thing. Him not gonna beg you credit and him not gonna tell you say he like cut off or him fridge empty and all of them something there. Okay?
Yes,
So,
for real.
don't have to worry about. Somebody said if you take off your glass.
Oh, the glasses. Oh, actually, because my eyes. It's my eyes.
Oh, eyes, want your eyes.
No, because I work with computers sometimes the light of the computer affect my eyes.
Oh, make it look a dazzling light. Foggish.
Yeah.
So the glass protect you from it. Okay.
Yeah, so I put on the glasses, but it's okay. I take my
Okay, okay.
kind of look rough now, but me soon go fix up.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah.
Real.
That's it. So me and my friend with us there go on well a look of vibes, you know? With us at talk about.
Yes, no problem, man. And I like the connection. Yesterday, actually, me see you for the first time, you know. And I
Yeah.
like your program. Me listen, me come on your YouTube last night, and I was watching you last night on your YouTube channel.
YouTube. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I subscribe and stuff like that last night to you.
Boy, man, I tell you. Oh, this now. Mohammed. Muhammad.
Oh my God, I'm a little friend. Where Mohammed I go?
Oh. Mohammed, Wagwan, morning.
What's up, everyone? How are you?
Yeah, you know, so I think of a Muslim man when I see him.
No,
Hey, bro,
he's
do
from
you know?
Pakistan.
He's from
Do
Pakistan.
you know?
Yeah.
Oh,
Bro.
okay. Okay.
Bro, do you know? She has been my girlfriend.
Oh, she's a good friend.
No go so.
Okay. Who for phone a ring? Pass it. Turn it
No,
down.
female, it's not
That's
mine.
it.
Mohammed, don't come in here can't tell any lie. Say I'm your girlfriend. Don't do that.
You are telling that this is a lie, huh? Are you serious?
Really?
you
You're gonna do that,
serious?
Mohammed? Don't play them game around here.
And after that time, I haven't seen you. Do you know?
No, seriously, Mohammed, don't do that.
I'm joking now.
No, you can't joke like that because this is a Jamaican platform and they take things serious, yeah?
Over here, we
Tell
don't
the
take.
truth.
No, over here, we don't take nothing serious, man. Whether it's all
Really?
you take serious.
No,
I
in a them
dating
the
part.
not in a them the style there.
Okay.
No.
Don't
Come on,
tell me
Ahmed,
and you
Wagwan.
was dating. Don't do
Really
that.
sorry, bro. Really sorry. Enjoy your time. Just came here to see her. That was my plan. Nothing else. Because I haven't seen her for a long time. She's a good friend of mine, bro.
Okay.
From
Good
that
girl.
day. It's not nothing else, bro. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Do it what you want to do. Find out your connection. I want to see you married, huh? Go for it.
Well, I want to see that as well. You're not the only one, Mohammed.
Okay.
So, you know,
Because
I
the
just
thing
have
is,
to
I wanted
search
to
and
dance
wait.
on your wedding. I wanted to dance on your wedding.
Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Shake it to the max. That's
I
my
will
song,
definitely
huh?
send you the invites. Don't worry.
My song is going to be Shake It to the Max, okay? So be ready to see my
Okay.
Shake It.
All
Okay.
right.
All right,
Enjoy.
Mohammed. Big up
Sorry.
yourself. All right.
All
Sorry,
right. Big up
everyone.
yourself, Mohammed.
Yeah,
Big
bye
up.
bye. Enjoy
Big
your
up
time.
Bye.
Pakistan.
See
All
you.
right. Good. Bye bye. Yeah, man. Sure.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Mohammed, not easy.
Come here, be knowing over
I'm
here.
not
There
gonna.
are a couple of people
I'm
where.
not
No,
gonna
you
stay
see,
with.
because me depend your life now, everybody will see say me depend your life, so they will
Oh,
jump
yeah. I'm
in.
going to come up on them for you page so they might see.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, I'm not
Exactly.
gonna stay with you, bro. I just,
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Well,
And
thank
you
you
weekend.
for
already know.
coming
I'll,
up.
I'll
Me
be
Hold
watching.
on,
respect
hold
you,
on there.
right? For
One
that.
lady says she like you if you can't take off your hat. Wow.
Oh, the hat. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
this is my head.
Oh,
She
the
want
head.
to see if you have hair.
She want to say if you have
Oh,
it.
no, I'm
Just want
shimmy
to
here
say, she
now.
want to say if your head ball like for me. Turn around, let me see. Oh, you know bad. The marks on here upon the head there. Can't go and
Yeah,
work
be
out.
here, man.
Yeah. So if you don't want him, you just make a link and come in there. All right?
It is
On the
what it
Pala
is.
MPH. One love
All
Jamaica.
right.
Big up yourself. All the
Pick
best.
up
All right.
yourself,
Blessings, man.
man.
Take care. Enough love. Bye bye,
Yeah,
bro.
man. Okay.
Yeah, man. Cool.
That's how you go. Okay. Nice looking guy. Okay. I'm gonna go 5 months in the end of the good looking guy. Yeah, man. So anybody else who want a match, who single? Come might as well. Come me and Sim Sim are going to host the show. Who
Not
else want?
true.
Come on. Who else interested in our relationship? Come on. Well, on the Sim Sim, let me check my phone because sometimes
Yeah,
they take me
man.
on the phone. Well, on there. Let me see. Oh, mix up boss. Acha. Sean. Let me see this. Mix up boss. Can you please give me a call? All right. I'm going to call Sean and hear him I say.
All right.
I bet me like say you Sean a call about. Anytime your phone a ring, say you know an England number, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What go on, Sean?
Yeah, all right. You see that girl? That I saw you on TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
That Indian girl.
Mm-hmm.
Where she live? America.
No, she living in UK.
Wow, you serious?
Yes, bro.
Yo, me gonna send me picture. Just share it with her alone, yeah?
Okay.
Hey, please, bro. Me gonna send it now, bro. Look, hear me and you sound British. Hear me and say yes, bro.
No, I'm not from. I can switch it up a bit. I'm from the Midlands.
Okay. All right, Bob.
Yeah.
Me gonna send. Dear me, I'm gonna send me where it is. I'm gonna send a picture.
Send the
Yeah?
picture now. Yeah.
Yeah. And tell her, please give me a call. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause she said the rest of man them look like old man and Ray. I'm gonna send a working picture. And I'm gonna send a picture. Just a normal picture. Yeah. Please. Yeah.
All right. So here we go on. Like what you thought now. Me up on TikTok, you know, right?
Yeah.
She hear and she listen. So she asked me some question. She said, which part of England you live?
Tell her I live in London, manor outside. But tell her I me personally, me definitely even move from London, wherever she there if things work out tight. See, she a person, you don't know what's in them heart, but oh she talk, and this is what me I say. I meet somebody before the man, and me I be honest with you, the person. It's like when I look for the person and say, I want to go to church, I want to baptize. The person say, like she's a ghetto man. And it's when you really go deal with the person, deal man, like two different persons, like a devil in a hell. You understand me? The devil
And she
in a
said,
hell.
ask her how old you is.
You sound
I
old.
said, I'm 53 young. Look, 90
No,
53.
She shake her head. She said, I be a shake her head. She
Oh,
said,
she want a young boy to at up her head.
no, man, that's a young boy. She want somebody in her age region.
You know what? Tell her I said, me I will send a picture if she, and you get me. I will just send a picture for night.
Me know,
Yeah,
man, but I gotta teach her something, Sean. I said this to you as a man, because we in a game. If a woman says she wants somebody from 36 to 47,
true.
listen now.
Wow.
And we as 53 are gonna force up ourselves now. It's like we are force her to accept we wish that to be fear for she. She not gonna really feel a connection like that. You understand?
The reason why I say so still there, man, yeah? I understand what she's saying now. The reason why I say so, yeah? Dear man, me's a man. I'm gonna be honest with you. Me's a man before I just be a browning girl me deal with and whatever, yeah?
Mm.
And you see now, me come out of my comfort zone. You get what me I say? Me come out of that comfort zone now because you see sometimes the type of person we go for is not really the type of person for we. So me not tell her come out of comfort zone for matter of God. Me just explain and tell her.
No man, I just age.
Yeah.
You know what he said? She
said
said 40, so 47. Cause everybody want to have somebody where not say 53 old. Cause well, we have to reach there, but she maybe have a preference where she prefer.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. I think she said
she need to put it 50.
42.
Yeah, she have 42. She need to put it at 50. Much less.
Yeah, man. Tell her bless up herself. And she
Yeah, man, tell him big up yourself.
She listen, little she talk to you. Talk to him, Browning.
Big up yourself, man. Thanks a lot for your interest.
My friend, we can't be friends, you know. We can't be just normal friends. We're not on a looking thing, guys. Sometimes people need first with that. And you hear me? Me
hear
she
you.
talk something today I say, and she's the type of person like me. It's like when you get to really, people tell you one thing, and when you get to love them, and then them time they harder to come out of a relationship, and you know what? My friend, you lick the nail on the head, and yes, you're right. Without a shadow of a doubt, me I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
After December, you born?
No, October.
October, woman's a good woman.
October, how much you born since, man?
Huh?
October, how much you born?
25th.
Oh, me you born the said month.
Me know about.
Seriously?
But you born, your rule different from me. Me born the 9th.
25th, my cousin. Me know somebody born the 10th of October, and trust me. October, woman.
We're very passionate people.
And the problem is not there, man.
Send me
the
picture. You send me a picture, I'm sure.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you, the problem is not there, man. Here with October, woman, them always give people chance after chance. You get me? And that I mash them up, you know.
Facts.
I know about October, woman, man. I know about them. Good people, them there, man. They are good people, them. Me not lie. You get me? Good people, them. Me not lie, your fam. The picture reach you?
Yeah.
Dear me, I'm cut off my ear, you know.
Oh, you cut off?
I'm cut off my ear, do my teeth, them and all of them, something. I'm fresh up myself, man. Grow a beard and everything, you see me? I got turkey, I do my teeth, them, fam. Yeah, but my friend, you hear me? You don't, I'm gonna tell you this, don't ever change because a man do you something. Don't change your personality because a man do you something. Because when you meet Mr. Right and you change that personality and be that dirty person, you understand me? Not dirty person, not dirty, not, you understand?
Yeah, but that's true, man.
Don't change your personality because you have to regret it. Just be kind, continue with the person you are. You have to look after your man same way. I look after my woman with me. But me a boy, I'm not afraid to tell nobody. When me have my woman, I come from work. Me help her shine down furniture. You understand? Sweep house. You understand? Get the kids ready.
Nice, man.
You understand? That's life, man. But you see them woman, yeah? Dear me, I be honest with you. It's we come out of them mouth, yeah, woman talk about second on and them something there. And them agree with you, and then them end up a bunny and them something. Not at all, you know, dear me, because dear me, me nah look for you and say, no, okay. Listen to me, you see before, I was the type of person, I never really second on. So I have my personal woman, but I do my thing. You understand? You see me now, dear man, proper ready for second on, but when a woman when you go look for a woman, I never look for a woman before and say, I want to spend my life with you. That means me serious. You get me? And you go tell a woman that, and she tell you that, and you say you want good, and she cheat by your virgin.
Yeah.
Nah, man, that's too steep, man.
All right, hold it, Sean, hold it. I feel the pain, Leroy. Yeah. I feel it. All right.
Yeah, man, that's a reason your virgin, you see me?
Yeah, man, all right. Yeah. All right, me and you
Yeah,
link.
man, just
Yeah.
bless her up and give her my number. Me and she can reason. You see me?
All right. Cool.
My friend, you can't get my number. Me and your reason just friend and that's it. You see me?
Me will think about it still. Me will think
Cause
about
you're
it.
England with them. Me not gonna look you. Me I be honest. Me not gonna look you. Cause you don't tell me what you want. You see me? Me not gonna look you. Me I tell you straight. Me not gonna look you. You see me? But look out for yourself and bless. Which side you come from? London?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, man. Just bless up yourself, my friend. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bless up, man.
Yeah, dear man. Respect. Yeah.
Sean.
All right. Yeah.
All right, Sean. Cool.
All right, British man, dear man.
Okay, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yes. I tell you. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Me say, dear man, I go delete TikTok, you know?
Why?
Because the same, remember say me no call no name, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the guy will come up in the other live, in the chat, Junior. And I come here now and I say, why you bring up where me and you deal with and I mean never call no name, nobody would have know say him.
Mm-hmm. Junior, she never call her name. It just a little situation and she feel a way about it and we just share some little thoughts. So she never said Junior from XYZ from blah blah blah. She does a talk. So are you now make it be known to you?
Exactly.
Yeah, so we can't just make it
My
slide.
God.
Actually, not argue or nothing. She just said she does feel offended that way about it. Cause you use the term as in her age.
Me fi delete TikTok, man. Me fi delete TikTok because me can't bother with them or something. I'm not in the passa business and argument business and whatever. My God.
Why you delete? You can't make somebody make a delete TikTok.
No, because the way he come up and like make me feel bad and insult me and me I try be nice to him. Me I try make him know say look this that this. Me I tell him say we can't get to know each other and the man basically insult me. He apologize, yes. I mean appreciate that. But why am I coming at the live now? Can't talk about why me I bring up this situation there. I mean never call his name.
Sean look like Jonah look like he love attention, I know.
My God.
Jonah go
I
in
don't
the
like
back.
that, man. I don't like that. Even after me and him, me they go up the day and me go in a live before he even come in a there. Then say, then what they happen between you and my guy and blah blah blah. Me say, you know what, respectfully, me not go talk about it because he's not here to defend himself. And he never did it when me say it. And as soon as he come in, me have something when me want address, put me up in the box. Yeah? And I bring up everything. Why? You never have to do that.
She does express herself, my G. So I saw her go. She never call her name. So if I'm me, and I'm me, I thought, I would leave a comment. But I just pass it alone. Because sometimes as man, we have to see some things and leave. Morning, Miss Venom.
Him call me, man.
What, the man from England call you?
Yeah, he just called me a while ago and said 6 o'clock when he left work. He will call me and we talk.
Wow.
Yeah,
Can't track to you.
and say you look nice.
That's nice.
Yeah, he just called me.
The man screenshot a picture and send it give me and said the woman here. So I say, who name? I say 49. I don't remember having 49. And then he say, yeah man, see here. The man screenshot it. So for the man to screenshot something and send it here, you know, I say, him really mean business.
Yeah,
Really
he just called me a
interested.
while ago.
So by summer you're there in England. Why
Oh, I wouldn't mind.
want iPhone 17? Whenever they want to send me a phone.
Don't worry, sis.
That's how they pay if you get the match. That's how they pay if you get the love of your life. That's true.
Yeah.
That's
more
small
iPhone.
price.
I'm
Yeah,
more want clocks. I'm more
Why
want
is-
to pay for my son.
I would just pray for everything work out.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You know, see, as him call me and me call you back and him update you what is what.
He might call you Amanda. Look like you not get your name right. Call me, I look for your name. I could find out the reality. That when you me did that, I say, I mean call you, because I say, I must you, because I not save a name. So and then I said, don't just ask you your age first. And for you tell me your age, I say, alright, I say no more you.
Yeah.
So
Him
I
look
say,
nice. Him not look bad. Him a 52-year-old.
oh, not that far, that's not bad.
Yeah, and upon the work. Same saying at 6 o'clock and we call me and we have a good
Good
talk
shot.
and yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
We're
all
glad for you,
right.
mommy.
Big up yourself, all
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
All the
all
best.
right.
Yeah.
Thanks to
Big
yeah.
up.
All
Yeah.
right, yeah.
Yeah. So I also want to use a platform to make a difference. Anybody want to come in our box? Welcome to your single show. I'm going to put up I'm going to make a logo for it now so we can get some people. Because she sit down, maybe she there yard want to look come and I don't know where to go and she scroll up on TikTok and say MIXUP Boss channel and just tune in and know. So you see that?
Sure.
We can have like a company and we don't know where it all lead up to. So that's how you go. Who else there? I'm single. All right. So we'll put up some people in our box now. All right?
Yeah, man.
But they come with a story if you play, but they come. I'm not going to play this morning. I'm going to play one different time. Found on the single, come in our box and talk when you want. Because the show go over YouTube, so people are going to see it from two
Okay.
angles. So come up. MIXUP Boss, you're having an ice woman for me. All right. Boss Queen Media, big up yourself. Good morning. I got you.
Good morning.
Yeah,
How are
man.
you?
I'm all right. What are you seeking?
I always watch your Damien, big up your nice clean self.
When you say Damien, you know me. You know if you
Yeah,
say nothing more. Talk.
long time me day up on the ground with you. Big up
All right.
yourself. And that me
Appreciate
come
it.
to say big up you.
Big up you too.
Yeah,
Big up.
I got
Hold on. I got big up you.
yeah,
And
big up
you make this
you.
possible. Yeah.
Oh gosh. All right. So I'm single as well and searching. I have been searching for a while. I've been single for a while now.
How long?
More than 7 years.
Wow, long time that.
I have tried long distance relationship and it did not work for me. So yeah.
So where are you located now?
I'm right here in the beautiful island of Jamaica.
Okay. What age guy? What old are you, by the way?
I am 53 years old.
53. And you're seeking somebody the age what
From 55 to 60.
55 to 60. All right. So the person can live in Jamaica, right?
No, me no want no Jamaican man. Them too wicked and lie. Sorry.
But you say you don't want not long distances.
But
Yeah, me no want no Jamaican too.
no, but well, maybe you say no want a long distance, and so which part of somebody that go come from? Have to be overseas. So you have to show where you want to Boss Queen.
Yeah, me will give a Jamaican a chance, but Lord, me no like it. Me no want go no foreign. Come
You
in
don't want
section.
Ghana foreign man. You
Me
can
been
go
there,
apply
done
for your
that.
visa.
Me
And
have a
everybody,
visa. Me
and
been there,
everybody want
done
to go
that.
foreign. Yeah.
Take a good look for me. Me been there, done that. Yeah, me not come here for that. Yeah, me been there, done that.
Say you want somebody where would have base like Canada, England, or Jamaica, or
Yeah, Canada, England, and England, no American.
But
Canada,
some good, serious Jamaican man, we having shit together, serious and say, yo.
no problem as long as him have him shit together. But if him not have him shit together, don't bother try me. Leave me alone.
So basically, no riffraff.
No riffraff.
Okay, all right. I get it, baby. All right. I could see how you go. Nobody reach out. When me I got, you have my number?
Yeah, I think I have your number already.
Text me on WhatsApp. So I save your name and the age. So if somebody call and ask you, I know who. Because a whole heap of people text me at the time.
Your number in your description?
No. My number 876.
Hold on, I'm put your number in on my phone. I think I have it still in, but I'm put it in. Probably when I put it in, it will come up. 876
277 3254.
I'm gonna make it clear, people on the live. I know everybody want to go foreign. For you look on a woman like me, your sister, I been there, done that.
Tell them again.
I know something me I look. Look on my good. Check out my profile.
Right, that's
So
all.
watch on the comment section. Watch on the comments from people live stream. Because from you look on a woman like me, your sister, I don't have it together. Don't brighten yourself.
Hey.
Oh, right, that's all. Talk your
All
talk.
the things, sis.
Yeah,
Nah,
for you
look
look on
nothing
a
for
woman like
nobody.
me, your sister, I have it together. I not come here and look something.
All right. Now pay them no mind. Just go and do your thing. And an idea, you will get who you want you. And them, you make your link and it possible, all right?
Turn on my camera because them want to see me.
Jesus God. How you are proof to them,
Pop
sir?
style pan them.
No, because somebody in the comment section asked to turn on the camera.
You have to turn on the camera and I send an invitation.
Yeah.
You have to press save and then make it come on back. Alright.
See me here, Damien. Big up your nice, clean self.
Who can rank with you? In your 50s and look, sir? No, sir.
know which girl or which boy can come by me.
What?
So, Damien, big up yourself every time.
Alright. Big up yourself, my friend. Cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Cool.
Big up yourself, yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Yeah.
When I come out festive, I want to put some respect on Queen Lady name. I want to know, man. Good man, MIXUP boss. Thank you. You understand? So you go. Alright, so this is it now. Let me see this. Hold on.
So this make me feel weird. Let me put myself on display.
Just relax yourself, man. Everything good. I'm here power with you. Body can't step to you now, I'm here. Nobody make you feel belittle yourself and make you feel like you know have a voice. Talk your talk. You know see, with the woman them about them over here and see one woman play one video with a man a ball and then bring in down your worst way and answer or something. You know bring down the body, you just come and talk your talk. So it make people scare themselves. I take somebody anywhere.
Yeah, man.
No, bro, me not do that. Me not do that with the thing. Let me see how old this now. So, oh, this is one UK guy. Hold on, me the UK money. Why you make UK people them come out strong for me?
Is it?
Yeah, one thing me know though, there's a lot of single woman. Yo, what go on?
Yeah.
Me there, man. You did that call me? Yo. I saw a bad connection in England. Come there right on my Wi-Fi box.
I him one.
No, sir. I saw England service bad.
No, sir. Which party in there?
Yesterday, guys. Who this again? I'm in UK. My number is 0. I wonder who the person did a call for.
Send me a photo. If you can get a photo with her and send me.
Hold on. Let me say what we want. Hold on. Let me listen to this.
Boss, my number there, that is me. That when me turn 50. So I'm gonna be 55.
55. So that I know you. So basically, you want the lady where they did the sassy.
Yeah. Lady man, 62
62-year-old lady you want. May I try reach out back to the lady that I not get in contact with her. So she come like she a joke here, man. Alright. Who else want to come like that? I think me follow her, man, but I think me send her a message. She said she did her work now. So I say, alright, whenever they come. You see me? Morning, Miss D.
Good morning.
What's up?
Can you see me? No, you can't see me, huh?
No, if you put it on video, hold on. Me say me can add it today. I turn on the camera. Me send an invitation.
Good morning.
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 You accept it?
Yeah. Oh,
No. Oh, see ya. Okay, see ya. Okay.
good morning.
Good
I'm
morning.
driving right now, but I'm 47, looking 38 and up.
You look nice. You're very pretty.
Oh, thank you. I'm looking rough right now. I just woke up, so I'm sorry.
Okay, so
But,
you're 47?
47, yeah.
What age?
38 and up.
Which part you want them? You can live in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, thank you. Woo! Finally,
Okay.
foreign man or Jamaican. Thank you.
I gotta go. I'm driving.
Yeah,
Bye.
No buffering.
Yeah,
No
more Miss
stutter.
D. Miss D, you have my number?
No, I'm driving, so just, I'll inbox you.
Inbox me, yeah. Inbox me so I have your number so I can keep you. Somebody are going to link me for you. No. All
Okay,
right?
bye.
All right, bye-bye. Yeah.
We can't fast.
Quick and fast. Them connection them I want. You know my Jamaican
Yeah.
man. Lord God in heaven. Jesus, help
She
me.
really nice, man. She
Yeah,
really
man, she look
nice.
nice.
She look
She look
good.
nice.
She don't look her age at all.
I mean, never know so much single woman over here, man. Jesus God, woman.
Unfortunately.
Me never know. A whole heap of single car. Miss D and a couple other people always text me for my show. So instead of me over here chat, people story, me should have do this long time, man. I match
Not
people.
true.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
they say your
man.
talent, the man.
Yeah, cause 5 years since me I do it. Me match people already, I met them married, over YouTube. Yeah, one lady from Canada. She come meet one man and married him out there. It up on my YouTube. So
What?
yeah, man. Me have one lady right here. Which over there.
I have to go follow your YouTube.
Yeah, man. I make a hold on. I wish she there. Me play it yesterday. She find one man off of my show. And she said my husband. That's what she call him now. Let me see.
What?
Yeah, man. See how yeah? And off of my show she meet him. See that?
Oh, you did show her yesterday.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and you read out the our advice note.
Yeah, man.
And she say how a
look down
foolishness
upon
how people
Jamaican
attack
man.
say
Yeah.
say no good man. And how she oh my gosh, that is
man.
so nice.
See how yeah?
Hey, boss.
And you make that
I
happen.
just want to say thank you again. I promised to send you a voice note.
See there?
On my loving, wonderful, awesome husband that you sent me that night, that phone number and that picture, Mr. Samuels. I don't want to hear nobody saying that good men is not in Jamaica. That's a lie.
All right.
Good men are still in this world. Well, we talked, May. We had a good thing going. I went out in September and we got married. He have no plans of coming here since his home is in Jamaica. I stayed there for a month.
Just stayed there
I'm
for a
62,
month.
he's 64.
62, 64, see that?
And Damien, is one of the best months in my 62 years.
You hear that?
That I've had.
Best man in our
We
62
talk on the
years.
phone every day, up to 10 times a day. We pray at night, we pray in the morning. I wake up to my text every morning. And everything, by God's will, is going good. Thank you, Jesus.
Amen.
Amen.
I could call 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. This man is...
She don't know if it explains.
She can't even put in a word.
All right, this is our next thing, ladies. And even man too. Anytime you can call a man, anytime at night, and he answer his phone, and he not fear lock off phone and go on the antics. You know, say him straightforward in a way. You say that you call some of them and you say, oh, then can't answer. They see them answer in a rush and then they want to take you off your phone or then say certain time you can't call. Cause this,
so true.
You know, say red flag did it so. So exactly. Red flag always did it so. Yeah, she said she can call him anytime and she and him talk. So she knows that once.
Pure green flag that?
Be a green flag.
What?
And if you them know them want. The man have him also out there, him have the intention to come and foreign. So you know, say the man just look for love.
That is it. Me love, man. Me love.
So
then you know feel proud like a one of your pitney them a go off to college or
Jesus.
When you hear that and you know say you make that happen.
Yeah, it's true. Me used to it. You understand? Me used to. I will let people much man mix up, boss. If I go on my channel, mix up, boss. Wedding. Alright, me look on the wedding one. Me say me can bring it up. Alright, see that? This are the one. This are the one with the wedding. See that? Let me try to bring it up. Hold on. And me, I best man at the wedding here.
Lie.
God no.
Lie.
You know answer. See them there? This is how we talk them talk. But this is how we
have goosebumps all over my body. Me can't believe it.
Alright, I make a seat. Let me just play one part there. Hold on.
As a pledge.
Listen.
As a pledge. And in token of the vows.
And in token of the vows.
Between us made.
Between us made.
With this ring, I thee well. In the name of the Lord. Amen.
Amen. Oh
If you
my.
watch this already, you laugh. Because the
Man.
groom funny as hell. I be a joke man making there. The man makes some joke in there with him attack. And then say, who make this possible? And he say, you. In pine pan me and the
Ah,
pastor laugh. Let me say me can't find the part there. Well,
oh my
he say,
gosh.
who put them together? And he say, him. Him over there, sir.
Oh my.
I first
You
wedding, I
full of
think
cool bomb.
this wedding was in
Me,
7 months
me
ago,
so
right
glad
here
for
from the Fire
them.
Cross. Anyway, guys, I just said if you know, so when you enjoy the show there, yeah, so I'm going to start up this now. So if you're interested, you know, come over a TikTok page, come in our box, and trust me, yesterday show did nice because I match 5 person. All right, 5 person get matched, so I love it. It's a good look. Everybody need love. I don't know my thing. I change it up in other format. Yeah. So big up on yourself. If nobody interested in any one of them ladies there, link me up. But don't hear what them want, so don't push up on yourself where them don't want. All right, join me later. Thanks, everybody. I'm out.